Samsung likely to launch tri-fold smartphone by 2025. Samsung's considering to launch its tri-fold smartphone by next year in a bid to stay competitive against rivals such as Huawei, which recently unveiled its tri-fold smartphone Mate XT Ultimate Edition in China, according to reports. Citing industry sources, it was reported that the South Korean tech giant is reportedly working on an entry-level clamshell-style foldable phone with a screen that folds twice and is likely to be released by 2025. The publication also claimed that the tech giant's display partner has already completed the commercialization plans and development of the trifold device. However, the decision to launch this device depends on the decision of Samsung Electronics' MX division. To be noted, this isn't the first time that Samsung's considering the launch of a trifold smartphone. Earlier in 2023, a tipster claimed that Samsung wouldn't be unveiling the Galaxy S23 FE and would instead focus on a smartphone featuring a triple folding display. The tech giant also showcased prototypes of two smartphones, Flex G and Flex S, with different folding mechanisms that haven't reached consumers yet, but resemble Mate XT Ultimate and Techno Phantom Ultimate 2 trifold smartphones. If this comes true, Samsung would be the first company to globally launch a trifold smartphone, as Huawei's trifold phone is only available in China and is banned from selling its smartphones in the US. Alongside Samsung, other smartphone manufacturers, including Honor, Xiaomi, and Oppo, are also reportedly working on their trifold smartphones.